Welcome back to our channel. Facing challenges buttoning up your jeans, or wrestling with persistent belly fat. Despite numerous attempts, achieving a flatter stomach remains elusive. How about exploring cost-effective beverage options today? In this video, we will present 6 budget-friendly and straightforward drinks to help you achieve a flatter tummy. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Disclaimer: this video is designed for educational purposes. If you are experiencing any health concerns or discomfort, we strongly recommend seeking guidance from a qualified healthcare professional for accurate diagnosis and personalized advice. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has gained attention for its potential role in promoting weight loss, including the reduction of belly fat. It contains acetic acid, which may help control appetite and reduce calorie intake by increasing feelings of fullness. Additionally, it may improve insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels can prevent excess fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may also enhance metabolism, potentially leading to increased calorie burn. However, it's important to note that apple cider vinegar alone is not a magic solution. Incorporating it into a balanced diet and exercise routine is key. Number 2. Chia lime. Chia seeds and lime can be beneficial components of a diet aimed at reducing belly fat, particularly for individuals diagnosed with diabetes. Chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is crucial for those with diabetes as it helps prevent spikes in insulin. Additionally, chia seeds are known to expand in the stomach when consumed, promoting a feeling of fullness, which can help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Lime, on the other hand, is a low-calorie fruit that adds flavor without adding excessive sugar or calories to one's diet. Its high vitamin C content can also boost metabolism and support the body's ability to burn fat. Moreover, the acidity in lime can aid in digestion, potentially reducing bloating and promoting a flatter stomach. When combined, chia seeds and lime create a satisfying and nutritious concoction. A popular method is to soak chia seeds in lime juice, allowing them to absorb the liquid and form a gel-like consistency. This can be consumed as a refreshing beverage or added to various dishes. Number 3. Lemon water. One of the key ways lemon water might assist in weight management is through its role in improving digestion. The citric acid in lemons can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can enhance the breakdown of food and improve nutrient absorption. Better digestion can reduce bloating and discomfort, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Moreover, lemon water is a low-calorie beverage, which means it can be a preferable alternative to sugary drinks or high-calorie beverages. By replacing calorie-laden options with lemon water, individuals may reduce their overall calorie intake, which is a fundamental aspect of weight loss. Furthermore, lemon water's high vitamin C content can act as an antioxidant, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with weight gain, especially around the abdominal area. By mitigating inflammation, lemon water may contribute to a reduction in belly fat over time. Number 4. Green smoothies. These nutritious beverages typically include a blend of leafy greens like spinach or kale fruits and other wholesome ingredients. The key to their potential benefits lies in their nutrient density. Green smoothies are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels, control hunger, and support overall health. Leafy greens are low in calories but high in fiber, making them ideal for promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Moreover, the natural sugars from the fruits in green smoothies provide a healthier alternative to processed sugars, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect of diabetes management. While green smoothies can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, they should not replace meals entirely. Instead, they can serve as a nutritious snack or a supplement to a well-rounded eating plan and regular physical activity, both of which are essential for effective belly fat management in individuals with diabetes. Number 5. Pineapple juice. Pineapple is a rich source of bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. This enzyme may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight, including belly fat. Moreover, pineapple is relatively low in calories and high in dietary fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and aid in appetite control. However, it's crucial to emphasize that pineapple juice should be consumed in moderation due to its natural sugar content, which can affect blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. Incorporating pineapple juice as part of a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, coupled with regular physical activity, is key to any effective weight management strategy. Number 6. Green tea. The key component in green tea that is believed to support weight management is its high concentration of catechins, specifically epigallocatechin gallate. These catechins are potent antioxidants that may help boost metabolism and increase the body's capacity to burn fat. Moreover, green tea contains caffeine, which can stimulate the central nervous system, enhancing energy expenditure and promoting the breakdown of fat cells. However, it's crucial to note that the effects of green tea on weight loss are relatively modest and may vary from person to person. It should be seen as a complementary component of a comprehensive approach to weight management, including a balanced diet and regular physical activity. And that's the end of the video. As always, if you have any health concerns, it's essential to seek advice from a professional healthcare provider. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.